Hey guys, it's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. Hey, we're on our way to check out a nice pool home listing in the residential estates area. It was just reduced. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 780 Little Drive. Great residential estates lot, huge corner lot, almost 20,000 square feet. So you still have tons of side access over here as well. You can bring that wall all the way out to the property line and get a lot more backyard. So the property goes way back over here as well. You see the water boxes and the property stake right there. So all of this, all the way to that pink marker over there by the telephone pole, this is all part of this lot. Has a ton of gated side access, probably almost 15 feet wide, I would guess. Nice little entry. Little lake view from the front yard here. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath pool home built in 2006. Again, this is in the residential estates area. It's just reduced to $875. So it looks like it would make a real nice vacation rental. It is 2-story, so that will, make the days on market a little longer. Huge, tall ceilings. So it's 2,489 square feet. Again, the lot is just over 19,000 square feet. Nice little wet bar with granite counters. So all 3 bedrooms in this house are master suites. So you have a nice, big, wide kitchen. Natural gas, so there's a gas stove, nice pantry, tall ceilings, can lights, granite counters. Little dining area. Little eat-at counter here. Stainless appliances. Has a double dishwasher. Also has a double oven, or one of those might be a microwave. Nope, double oven. Nice pantry. Also has a little wine fridge. So we're gonna just keep walking around here. So this is just off the kitchen. Looks like that's the door to the garage access. You have your indoor laundry. And this just loops around. So let's just head in here and see what we got. So we got a master suite downstairs, access to the backyard pool area, pretty good size, all tile floors. This does have all the trowel down interior walls and ceilings. So you have another door out to the pool area, big master bath, dual vanities, solid surface counters, can lights, little soaker tub. Got a nice walk-in shower, solid surface with tile floors. You have a nice little pool view from your tub. All right, let's go check out the rest of the house. So you have a huge walk-in closet. You know, it's a big closet when it has its own AC return. All right, so we're out of the master and we're just wrapping around by the kitchen. So this is kind of wrap around the kitchen here. Got a little guest bath. Nice little sink with granite, hammered copper. Okay, so you have bedroom number 2 right behind the bar here in the living room. This is another master suite. So that's why these make real good vacation rentals, because if people want their own master suite when they come, they're typically with another family. Typical little double door slider closet. So this room all has tile as well, no carpet. This one only has one sink, but it has the same solid surface counters, same looking type of walk-in shower materials. There's also a door out to the side yard pool area right here. So it could be another pool bath, which is pretty cool. All right, we're gonna go see what's upstairs. So you have real hardwood floors up here. Looks like cherry wood or something. All right, so you have the third master suite that's upstairs. It's a little smaller. I would call the one downstairs with the dual vanities the actual main master. This one's a little small on the smaller side. It only has one vanity in the master. It does have a tiled walk-in shower. This one does have a little balcony, and it's got some pretty good panoramic views. So you got your own little private balcony up here. So it's got real nice panoramic views. You can see all the way from Cupcake Mountain right there. And then you start the water shots. You basically see the whole island, Thompson Bay. All the way down the river, or up the river. So you have a huge indoor laundry room, lots of storage, utility sink. So you have basically a 3-car garage. The 2-car side is 30 feet deep. Has access to the backyard, of course. Has some built-in shelves in the back. Has an 8-foot door. The whole garage is air conditioned. Got your hot water, RO, reverse osmosis. So you have an RV side. It's 10 feet longer. It's 40 feet. Has a 12-foot door. All right, let's go check out the pool area. All right, so you have a big covered patio, stamped concrete, ceiling fans, outdoor shower. So this is a fiberglass pool, so doesn't need very much maintenance at all. Never have to replaster it. It is heated. Looks like it has a little water spill feature that's not working. LED light. Very private. Got a little like garden area over there or something. Pool deck's in decent condition. A little chipping around where the water feature is and splashing, which is pretty typical. So you have the typical Santa Fe little cracks in the stucco. It's pretty common with that kind of finish out here. Got all your pool equipment. Lots of space back here. Got a lot of space back here on the side of the house. Looks like they had a swamp cooler in the garage at one point, but they replaced it with this big mini split unit, which is much better. So the opening is 24 feet wide on this gate. So you can fit some stuff back here for sure. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house on Little. Great neighborhood, would make an excellent vacation rental, lots of space, and the 3 master suites. Anyways, I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video. Again, this one was just reduced to $875. Also, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is always right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.